Mastering the magic of prepositions and conjunctions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an integral part of the English language: prepositions and conjunctions. These little words might seem small, but they play a significant role in how we communicate, helping us build complex sentences and express diverse ideas. Let's explore how to choose the correct preposition or conjunction in your writing. Prepositions are words that show a relationship between a noun, or a pronoun, and some other word in the sentence. Examples of prepositions include words like in, at, on, between, and over, among many others. Let's practice choosing the right preposition. Consider the sentence, "She is ___ the park." What preposition would be the most appropriate? Is it on, in, or over? The correct preposition is at. So, the sentence is, "She is at the park." Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Examples of conjunctions include and, but, or so, and yet. Now let's practice choosing the right conjunction. Consider the sentence, "I want to play soccer, ____ it's raining." What conjunction fits the best here? Is it and, but, or? The correct conjunction is but. So, the sentence is, "I want to play soccer, but it's raining." Using prepositions and conjunctions correctly in your writing can significantly improve your clarity and style. Remember, prepositions establish relationships in space or time, while conjunctions connect ideas. Practice with different sentences and you'll soon find yourself using these terms naturally. For example, let's improve this sentence. I like to read. I also like to write. By using a conjunction, we can make this sentence flow better. I like to read and I also like to write. That wraps up our session for today. By now, you should be feeling more confident about choosing the correct prepositions and conjunctions in your writing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep writing and keep refining. You're doing great, and I'll see you in our next English learning adventure.